How to create SquareUp account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create SquareUp account. So then to begin with, open up a web browser. After that, on the web address bar, you'll need to type in www.squareup.com. This is going to direct you to the official web page of squareup.com. So here you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. So in order to begin with or to create an account, click on Get Started in the bottom left hand side corner screen. Now you begin with the registration process. So then to register, you'll need to provide in your email address. So for the confirmation, you need to type in twice. Since you're creating an account, it is mandatory for you to create a password as well and select your reason and mark on the terms and conditions. Now quickly enter in all of these information. As you're done entering the information, click on the continue button. So you need to go ahead and tap on the arrow icons. Select the criteria accordingly. After that, you need to provide in all of these information. So once you've done with this procedure, now you'll need to select how do you like to take a payment. So you can go through it all or you can simply skip this part as well. Now once again, you need to recommend your payment software for your business. So go ahead and select it and click on the next button or the skip button if you don't want to do it so. Now you'll need to verify your mobile number, so for that a verification code will be sent. So click on the send code button, and as soon as you've done that, a verification code will be sent to your registered phone number. After that, it will notify that the phone number has been verified completely, and that is basically how you can create an account on SquareUp. After you have done creating your information, you can apply for the multiverse credit card. So that is basically how you can create a SquareUp account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.